Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make carbonara. For ingredients, let's check down below. For ingredients, I have 500 grams of spaghetti. I have 200 grams of pecorino romano. And then I'm gonna mix it with 100 grams of Parmigiano Reggiano, 300 grams of guanciale, and 4 eggs. For the eggs, I'm gonna use 2 whole eggs and then just 2 egg yolk. First thing first, you wanna boil water in a large pot to cook your pasta or your spaghetti. And then next thing, we're gonna cut up some guanciale. For guanciale, just slice them off. You just cut it about this big. If you guys can find guanciale, you can use pancetta. If you still can find pancetta, then this is when you have no options. You can use bacon. Everything is done. Guanciale is done. So guanciale is pretty much big chicks. So if you guys can find guanciale, probably if you go to grocery stores, it's cured pig chick. And pancetta is cured pork belly. After you slice your guanciale, put it in a frying pan. And the frying pan is still cold. And then you want to turn on your stove on a medium heat. You can use it medium or medium low. And then we're gonna render all the fat, all the oil is gonna come out, and that's gonna make the sauce also. So while we're waiting this rendering out the fat, we're gonna make the cheese sauce. So what I have here is 200 grams of pecorino romano cheese. Just, you wanna grate it. When you're done with the pecorino, now you move to the Parmigiano. So 200 grams of pecorino and 100 grams of Parmigiano. So 2 cheeses are done for grating. So we have the Parmigiano and we have pecorino. Now the egg, this is already 1 egg yolk over here. So I'm gonna use 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolk. And then beat them. Add the cheese. And mix them. I guess we need 1 more egg. So the way I see here is too dry, so I'm gonna add 1 more whole egg. So the total egg that we use is 3 whole eggs and 2 egg yolk. Alright, so the sauce is done. Now we're gonna cook some spaghetti. When you see your water start boiling, just put a lot of salt inside. And then look inside your spaghetti package. It says 8 minutes to make it al dente. So we're gonna cook it for 8 minutes. So just drop it in. We're gonna cook this for 8 minutes and just, move around your pasta. And usually before 8 minutes, let's say after 6 minutes, I give it a test. And then just to see if it's done or not, because sometimes the packaging is correct, sometimes the packaging is not correct. So it's all depend the brand of your pasta. So after 6 minutes, I'm gonna give it a test and see if it's done or not, just to make sure you're not overcook your pasta. So after 6 minutes in. I'm gonna give it a test. Still raw, so we're gonna cook it a little bit more. I'm gonna remove or reserve some pasta water, and we're gonna add some pasta water to our sauce. So I'm gonna put a little bit of pasta water to our sauce, and then start mixing them. And that's perfect. The sauce looks awesome, looks beautiful, and it looks good. So now we're gonna check our spaghetti. We're gonna check it if it's done or not. So pasta is done. I'm gonna put it into my guanciale pan. Stir, stir, stir. So we're gonna cook it for about 1 minute. And after that, just turn off the heat. Take it out. And we're gonna pour the sauce. And we're gonna mix it. Gonna add a little bit more of pasta water. And keep mixing it. You see it's all done. It's all creamy. It's all done. Now, my final step, usually I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper on top. Now, we're gonna give it a try. There you go, guys. I'm gonna give it a try. Spaghetti carbonara. It's very creamy, very cheesy. Guanciale, the saltiness of guanciale, it's make everything works wonderfully. So one of the reasons why I didn't salt this, because guanciale is already salty. So if you think you need more salt, you can add a little bit of salt, but before you do that, please try your carbonara first before you actually put some salt in it. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.